Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable disappearing messages on the WhatsApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the chat button down below, which is the fourth option. Select your chat, tap on the chat name at the top of the screen. After that, you should scroll down until you find the disappearing messages option. Click on it, and here you can set the message timer so that you can make messages in this particular chat disappear. Select a timer, 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, or off. Tap on it, but you can also try the default message timer option. Here it is. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.